Hi guys, welcome back to Saturday at the Movies. Alright, we shall see what I got this time. Oh, it's an X-Men. And it is number 9, Come of the Apocalypse. Oh, Come the Apocalypse, yes. And here's the back. That's pretty nice. There, you can pause that and read that if you want. Spawn, Polygram, all that. Oh, look at that. That's nice. That's good. Well, I'm going to do a review of this, and I'll put in some screenshots and stuff so you can see. Here is the cover of this one. It's got an interesting cover. Well, thank you for watching. It's really hard to do these with you only a few views on them, so I'm not even going to put the effort into doing the review of the episode. So thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.